I'm just amazed every day when I go out and deal with other realtors, a lot of other realtors, and I see all the fees and stuff that they have to pay to the brokerages and the businesses that the business, how they have to get it. They have to pay for their marketing, they have to pay for their listing service, they have to pay for everything. So that's why I joined EXP. EXP gives me the tools, the opportunities, and many other income streams. I've over doubled my income with EXP Realty. They let me run the business like I want to run it. And they employ the brokers. It's under one umbrella. There's no overhead, there's no brick and mortar, it's all online. And you meet online, we have our meetings online, you have classes online, 5 days a week. You can learn. There's so much products there. EXP agents assist other EXP agents. So if you want to join EXP, I have a lot of leads that I don't do, so I can give those to my agents. I give them to my agents. So if you want to get on a team that you're not paying team, you're going to do 80, 20, $16,000 cap. That's it. And then there's stocks, there's other income opportunities. I'm going to teach you how to market. I'm going to teach you how to get other clients. I get checks almost weekly. How do I do that? I'll teach you how to do that. I've been in this business for 20 years. The worst year was my first year at $60,000. I've always made 6 figures or better thereafter. So if you want to get into real estate and get with a real estate company that really has the real estate agents and brokers best interest in mind, they want to make you make a lot of money, they want to keep your banks full. And with the changing technology, the changing real estate world, everything's online. You got Redfin, you got all these different places coming in, Open Door, all of these different places coming in, trying to discount their fees, discount their. Listen, we are a changing market. I'll show you how to change. I'm making more money than I did last year. So if you want to really get into the real estate agent market and you're a realtor and you're kind of struggling, I'll show you how to market. I'll show you how to get clients. I'll show you how to get consistent income. I'll be an Icon agent again this year. I was an Icon agent last year. They give you $16,000 in stock for that. That's a lot of money. So please give me a call. I'm looking for people that I can help. I'm looking for people that can join with me. I need help. I have so much business, I cannot keep up with it all. So please give me a call, 216-703-5740, or text below, and I'll get you all the information. Let's meet for coffee. At least listen to a business proposition that could really skyrocket your income. You may be happy with your brokerage, you may be happy with everything going on, but understand there's always other ways to look at it. I've been with Coldwell Banker, I've been with Howard Hanna, I've been with Century 21, I've been with West USA, I have my own brokerage, Valley Realty, so I've been with many different agencies, but I've never been with anything close to EXP Realty. So please give me a call, let's sit down and look at your business plan and see if it's a right fit for you. It may not be, but if it is, it will be a big profit booster for you and your company, in your business. As a realtor, we want to keep as much money as we can. Give me a call, 216-703-5740, or text below. Thanks, have a great day. Got to get back to work.